Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Bold versus Lovable, which one is the best for you. So first you just have to simply create an account. In Lovable you can create an account using your Google account, email, Facebook and so on. Also with a Bold AI, you can also create an account here using your Google account, email and password. So, Bolt is a tool more oriented toward developers who want AI assisted code generation, combining front end plus back end capabilities, more flexibility, and control. While Lovable, a no code, low code platform focused on letting non developers, small teams turn ideas into apps quickly using natural language plus visual tools. Now, when it comes to features, how you build prompt versus code. So Lovable mostly prompts, visual code, bold. Prompt, you can also edit code directly if you want. UI design, strong templates, Lovable, bold, functional UI tools. Both has back-end database hosting, learning curve, technical skill needed, and speed to prototype. For pros and cons for Lovable. So pros for Lovable, very beginner friendly, great for rapid prototyping MVPs for those who are not into coding. Nice templates and good visual design out of the box. Integrated tools. All you have to do is to paste the prompt here or add the prompt right here. You will see the result right away. While the cons, less fine control when you need complex backend logic or unusual behavior, it can be a struggle for you. Performance or bugs, limitations for larger apps, and for Bolt, pros, more control, good for developers who want to edit code, define logic, strong back-end tooling, database integration, fast prototyping for people who understand coding. I'm going to show you. I'll just paste a code right here and you will see the result after. For cons, steeper learning curve, not as friendly as Lovable. Cost usage can add up, especially for big or multiple edits. Could be overkill for simple apps. Sometimes more complexity than needed. So, which to choose in simple terms? If you want fast, easy app building with little to no coding, pick Lovable. If you are more technical, want more control, or planning for something with more complex backend logic, pick Bolt. And that's how easy it is for Bolt versus Lovable. Which one is the best for you? Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.